Wagwan everybody, welcome back to Cali Medic. Today we're going to talk about teenage pregnancy. So please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of more informative videos. Teenage pregnancy is a public health concern. Complication during pregnancy and childbirth is one of the leading causes of death for girls between the ages of 15 and 19. Almost 12 million girls between the ages of 15 and 19, and at least 777,000 girls under the age of 15 give birth each year in developing regions. In Jamaica, 59 out of every 1,000 teenage girls give birth each year. This is a concern because it don't only cause poor social, economic, and health outcomes to the mother, but also for the child, and this in turn have a negative impact on society. Teenage pregnancy can be prevented, and this is something we all can make a positive contribution towards. Society tends to blame the girl then for teenage pregnancy, while the boy then walk free. But young men, would you be more careful if I did you get pregnant? A time now for you to play a part in the prevention of teenage pregnancy. A lot of people think that because them bright, or then go to the best high school, or then come from this prominent family, that then can't get pregnant as a teenager. But that is a lie. Teenage pregnancy can happen to anybody as long as you're sexually active. You don't have to do it regularly. It can happen on your first try if you're having sexual intercourse without using any form of contraceptive. Lack of access to contraceptive can cause a teenage girl to become pregnant. Yes, contraceptive is readily available, but them afraid to go get it because of how society look upon them. Sometimes the parents them can cause them own teenage daughter to go get pregnant as well. Cause when them find out that them daughter sexually active, them cuss them and class them, instead of to teach them and help them to be safe. Peer pressure and financial problems are other reasons why teenagers engage in sexual activities. Some teenagers don't have a clue about safe sex or the consequences of engaging in such activities. Teenage pregnancy can cause financial and emotional stress, not just for the teenage girls, but for the teenage boys as well. Cause them now responsible for another life, when in most cases they're not even responsible for themselves. Getting pregnant is just the start of it. Cause when the baby born, you have to take care of it. And if we're being real, in most cases the man them run gone. Left the girl them alone to bear the burden. Sometimes your family already a struggle to make two ends meet. So now another baby born is just added pressure. Another mouth to feed, with little or no income at all. Your social life as a teenager fly gone through the window. And all of a sudden, things just don't look so bright again. Teenage pregnancy can be prevented if teenagers are educated about having a healthy sex life instead of being bashed for having sex in the first place. The best way to avoid getting pregnant as a teenager is not to engage in sexual activities at all. But if you're doing it, be safe. Think about contraception. Avoid getting pregnant. Make sure that you use some form of protection, because you also have to protect yourself from sexually transmitted infection and diseases. Sexual and reproductive health education can help you to make informed decisions about sex. You can also abstain until you're ready. Say no and mean it. And this goes for both boy and girl. Boys use a condom every time. And make sure so the girl depends some form of contraception. Because accidents do happen, the condom can either burst or fall off. Don't give in to pressure. Think about getting pregnant as a teenager. Think about getting HIV, gonorrhea, syphilis, chlamydia, and all them other sexually transmitted infections and diseases. A lot of times teenagers end up in certain situations because they don't have nobody to talk to when I go judge them. Mothers and fathers, you need to be that parent where your people can come talk to you about anything without fearing say you're going to embarrass them or beat them. School nurses, guidance counselors and teachers are there for the teenagers them to talk to. But sometimes una can be just a little bit too judgmental. So the pitney them not even want come to know with them problem. Everybody in the community can help to prevent teenage pregnancy if we listen, support, and teach the teenagers them the right thing.